Hello friends, today we are going to start with the first unit, that is introduction and drivetrains of an automobile. This is the subject, automobile engineering, B mechanical. So myself Prasad Bosge, assistant professor, mechanical engineering department, would like to introduce to this topics of today's video. So let us see the contents of today's video. So the contents are, so here we are going to see what is an automobile, again history of an automobile, vehicle specification, that is the layout, classification of vehicle. Now basically what is an automobile? So automobile is a vehicle producing power within itself for its propulsion. Now this is known as an automobile or self-propelled vehicle. So what is an automobile? It is a vehicle producing power, and propelling itself. Now what are the examples of this? The examples are cars, jeeps, hatchbacks, that is the cars, mopeds, scooters, pickup trucks, ships, aircrafts. Now aircrafts comes under aeronautical vehicles. Now it is used, these self-propelled vehicles are used for transportation purposes of goods, passengers on the ground. So some aeronautical vehicles are which? Those are planes, helicopters, rockets, and in case of marine vehicles it is ships, boats and submarines. Now let us see some history of automobile. Now the first automobile was invented by Carl Benz. It was a gasoline propelled automobile back in 1886. So he was a German mechanical engineer. So you can see the first models of the automobiles. Now this is a three-wheeler, and a four-wheeler. Again it was gasoline fired. Moving ahead, let us go through the history in short. So if you see the history of automobiles in the last 100 years, so before automobiles what was used? Horse cart. It was a horse cars were the primary mode of transport in those days. Then came the 1 HP gas buggy, that is what is the automobile. Then Carl Benz invented the first automobile back in 1886, and subsequently it was Daimler, a German engineer, who developed the first four-wheeler gasoline automobile, and after which Henry Ford, 1886, Model T Ford, it was launched in the American market in 1908. Again it went through many of the modifications in the coming years. So moving ahead, you can see this Henry Ford 1886 Model T Ford automobile. Again, as I told you, it went through many modifications. Now why this is important? Because you should know some history of automobiles, right? And that is the reason why I have introduced you to this vehicles. Now moving ahead, let us go through the layout. What is the basic layout of an automobile? So how the basic layout of an automobile is? It basically consists of a chassis. On the chassis you can have a power unit, that is the engine, the transmission device, that is the clutch and gearbox, the propeller shaft, the differential, and it is attached with the suspension system. You can see here the suspension systems. Okay, the suspension systems. The radiator is here, the engine radiator. The wheels, all the wheels, 4 wheels. The petrol tank, and this is the basic construction of an automobile. Okay, so this is the top view, and you can also see the front view. Okay, so clearly again this was asked in many of the university examinations for 6 marks with a neat diagram. Explain the layout or the basic layout of an vehicle or automobile. Here in this diagram you can see again the same components are shown. Again this is a chassis manufactured by Ashok Leyland. Again the wheels are here, you can see the wheels, the differential, the exhaust system, the propeller shaft, the steering, the engine, the radiator, you can also see it here, the fuel tank. Okay, so and the chassis, again this is the chassis and suspension systems. Now again, once again I will repeat the main components. The main components are wheels, again the front and rear axle, the power unit, that is the engine, the propeller shaft, the frame of the automobile, the transmission, which consists of clutch and gearbox, differential gearbox, again universal joints, braking system, steering system, and suspension system. Thank you friends, thank you very much.